one of the things that I love with my position, what I do is I travel the country and I go and meet with contractors. I go and meet with installers, people that are using the products. And I try and tap into their brain and understand, okay, what is it that you like about Allied Moulded products? What is it that we can do better? And what is something that we can do innovative? So innovation is extremely important to Allied, right? You can see that with the development of our vapor seal. But the other thing to help those is patents. So I am big on working with our lawyers and trying to get patents so that people can't just copy what we have right off the shelf and start manufacturing it themselves. So innovation, I would definitely say, is very, very important. My boss Jeff and then Aaron, what's very important to them is to keep up on our codes. What are the codes out there? How are they changing? What are the feet on the ground? So that's our reps. They're the feet on the ground. What are they telling us? And how do we feed off of that information in order to continue to serve the customer, but come up with new and innovative different ways of looking at things. So that's super, super important. Innovation, when we walk the plant, looking at using robotics as much as we can, right? So, it's not always someone just sitting there using a drill anymore. Now it's how can we integrate robots into that and keep the workforce doing some of the things that they physically have to do that we can't actually automate. So from automation to even with the marketing, with some of our AI that we use in order to generate some of the marketing stuff is mind-blowing. It's really cool to see those girls working on that. But yeah, at the end of the day, the most important thing that I can think of is feet on the ground, talking to the end users, understanding what some of your codes are and how can you write your products into those codes so that there is a demand for them, not just today, but for the next 30 years.